Thinking about buying a house this year, or are you waiting for property prices to come down? If you've been asking yourself this question, you're not alone. India's real estate market in 2026 is sending mixed signals. And before making one of the biggest financial decisions of your life, here's what you should know. According to the Knight Frank Naredko Q2 2026 Real Estate Sentiment Index, 74% of industry stakeholders believe property prices will either remain stable or increase over the next 6 months. Even though housing sales have slowed, experts don't expect a major price correction anytime soon. So let's look at the 5 biggest signals from the market. First, construction, labor and land costs continue to rise. Experts say higher energy costs, expensive building materials and increasing land prices have made it difficult for developers to reduce property prices. That means even if demand slows, home prices may not fall sharply. Second, housing demand is moderating and developers are becoming more cautious. Housing sales grew by just 1% in the first half of 2026. Large developers are slowing new launches and buying less land because development and approval costs have gone up. However, experts say this is more of a market consolidation than a market collapse. Third, affordability remains the biggest challenge, especially for middle-class buyers. While home loans are easier to access, the overall cost of buying a home has increased. Affordable housing supply has also reduced, making it even harder for buyers in cities like Mumbai and Delhi to own a home. Fourth, limited supply is helping keep prices stable. Developers are focusing on managing existing inventory instead of launching projects aggressively. At the same time, buyers are taking more time before making decisions. Many are checking the developer's credibility and project completion record before investing. And fifth, real estate investment is becoming more selective. Funding is now flowing mainly, especially to the developer with strong financial record and proving execution. Smaller developers are finding it harder to raise capital, leading to further consolidation in the sector. The report also highlights a clear difference between premium and affordable housing. Luxury homes continue to see healthy demand, while affordable housing faces supply challenges because rising land and construction costs make smaller projects less viable. On the commercial side, the story is different. Office real estate remains strong. India recorded 48 million square feet of office leasing in the first half of 2026, supported by the growing demand from Global Capability Center or GCC. Most stakeholders also expect office rentals to remain stable or increase. So should you wait for prices to fall? Experts believe a sharp drop in property prices is unlikely because of rising construction cost, higher land prices, limited supply and increased development expenses. Instead of waiting only for lower prices, home buyers should focus on 4 things: whether the property fits their budget, the home loan burden, the developer's credibility, and the long-term cost of ownership. The 2026 real estate market is moving at 2 different speeds. Residential housing is slowing and consolidating, while commercial real estate continues to remain resilient. If you're planning to buy a home, your decision should be based on affordability and project quality, not just the hope of major price correction. That's it in this video. For more such updates, follow Zee Business.